Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express, the last one of 2025. Up first, you have seen Michele from RoyalRiverArt. If you missed her, dude, go check her out. She is absolutely sensational. No, not just with fluid art, but with her resin work, with her brush work. She is just absolutely incredible. So please go check her out. There'll be a link in the description anyway. You won't be disappointed, trust me. After me, we've got Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. And then to end the day, we've got Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So what I figured I'd do today is do something that's a little way out and wacky, but still, you know, dainty, if you'd like to call it. So kick back, relax, hear some tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna breathe when you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine.
We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. Oh, the monster is living inside. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside.
Alrighty, we'll do a flyover of that one. How much fun's that? So all I did was throw down some interference pigments, wiggle them and jiggle them, mess them all up, typical little wombat wonder pillow, and you get some crazy results when it hits the light. So definitely a whole heap of fun. Love it. Alright, I'd like to thank everybody that's taken their time to come watch our videos each and every week. All the special guests we've had this year, we truly appreciate everything that you've done. So thank you so much. Alright, up next we've got the amazing Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. Check her out, you'll love her. There'll be a link in the chat, I'll put it in there. Also, link in the description as usual, or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list, you never get lost. That's the easy way. Alright guys, that is it from me today and this year. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year everyone.